How to get speed ups in Palmon Survival. Now, speed ups in this game is one of the most common items you can get. Even by directly going to the speed up option when you're building something, you'll be able to see that there are lots of options for you to choose from, like building speed ups or just the general speed up item that can speed up pretty much anything you want. So, of course, one of the main ways you can get this as fast as possible is by using gems. If you want to do that, then that's on you, but gems are too valuable in many cases, so usually most of the people don't use gems to get their speed ups. Since speed ups are usually found pretty much everywhere in game, like in rewards, in limited time events, like guild events as well, or just the main campaign as well. So if you notice that if you've played this game for a while, you'll be able to find speed ups pretty much everywhere in the map as battle rewards or victory rewards, or simply in just simple common rewards after doing a simple task. So again, these speedups can be found pretty much everywhere, especially as a reward for doing pretty much the most minimal stuff in game. There's also the shops as well, as we mentioned. You could go to guild shops or tavern shops if you want, but those are pretty much the most common ways you can get speed ups in Palmon Survival. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.